Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the AMM Beauty channel. So today we are going to be creating this demo nail that I made a couple weeks ago. To start, we are going to be filing the ends of these nail tips that I have. You can get this nail stand from Amazon or pretty much any nail supply around you. But before we get into that, I wanted to show you these new nail art brushes that I got from Amazon. They're from the brand Beetles, and I thought they were so pretty because of the gemstones in the ends of the brushes, as well. This is what the brushes look like. I also will be using these adhesive tabs to secure the nails to the nail stand, and I'm using this little tray to mix my nail polishes. I apologize for being out of frame here and for the next nail, but I'm using the 100 grit nail file from Young Nails. So after I'm done filing and buffing the nails, I use these lint-free wipes that I got from Amazon. In this little package, it comes with a dispenser as well. So I use my rubbing alcohol and those wipes to clean off all the dust and debris from filing and buffing the nails. So now I'm just buffing the nails. I'm just gonna speed through this part because it's pretty straightforward. I'm not really sure what grit this is, but you can just use any buffer that you have. Just make sure that you buff the shine off of each nail. So now I'm finally wiping all the dust and debris from filing and buffing off of the nails with these little alcohol wipes. After cleaning off all the nails, I like to add a layer of base coat onto each nail. This helps with applying your gel polishes and making sure that they go on smoothly. So this step is important, okay? Once you apply your base coat, I like to cure it for about 30 seconds in my UV lamp. Now it's time for the fun part. So I'll be using my iGel polishes, and this one is in the color Princess Jasmine. So it's a pretty green mint color. The next color that I'll be using is called Cool Water. It's like a navy / midnight blue. The next color I'll be using is Fresh Water. It's like a sky blue. The final color I'll be using is this Kiara Sky white. You can use any white gel polish that you have. I just so happen to not have a iGel white polish, so this is my backup. This is the nail art brush that I'll be using for my creation. So basically what I do is just slide the brush into a few of the nail polishes, and then I just apply it to the nail in like a zigzag form. So you'll see this here. I just zigzag and then mesh all the blue and the green and the white together. I mainly want the white to be like, I don't want it to show too much. I want the other colors to show, so the white is there to like blend everything together. So I continue this process until I'm satisfied. I just keep adding like the darker blue in to make sure that it shows and doesn't get muted behind all the other colors. And I repeat this process for the rest of the nails. So I'm gonna go now. You guys enjoy. And I'm also gonna do some like a zoom in so you can see the final product after this first nail, and then I speed through the rest of them. And this wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.